What is up, everybody? It is your boy Khalil NXP back at it again with another video, and today we are doing an update video. So I know it's been a minute since the last time that you guys have seen me on this channel, and I just want to say thank you guys for your love and support. Even though I was gone, you guys have still been keeping on and holding down the fort while I was away. I appreciate it. I can't ask for better support than you guys. But there was a reason why I was gone, and that will be revealed in the coming future. But for now, this is my update. I am well. I was just giving little updates and stuff like that. A lot happened. A lot of stuff happened while I was away from YouTube, specifically like personal reasons. Like, shoot, Thanksgiving happened, and I got a chance to enjoy the time and stuff with my friends and family and things to that nature. As far as before that, again, when I was away, I was just, for the most part, just spending time with my friends and family and stuff and playing video games every so often. Now that we are since we're in that 2-year stretch, 3-week stretch, and you guys haven't seen any videos and things like that, I was just doing little posts on my little community tabs just to, keep in communication, keep the line continuing, even though I wasn't posting anything. But if you guys have any suggestions for questions that you want me to turn into videos, whether that be gaming or non-gaming related, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys for watching this video. My name is Khalil NXP. We're NXP Gang, and until next time, we are